In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Analytics account and obtain your tracking ID, then seamlessly integrate it with Hostinger's website builder. This process ensures you can effectively track your website's performance and understand your audience's behavior. Let's dive right in and make the most of these powerful tools. First things first, you'll need a Google Analytics account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry, setting it up is straightforward. Start by heading to the Google Analytics website. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. If you're already logged in, this step will be a breeze. If you haven't created a Google account yet, take a moment to set that up, as it's essential for accessing Google Analytics and many other useful tools from Google. Once you're signed in, you'll see an option to start measuring your website's data. Click on this to initiate the process. You'll be asked to set up a new property. Here, you'll enter the website's name, industry category, and your business's time zone. These details are vital because they customize your analytics experience, ensuring that the data you receive is relevant and informative. Next up is an essential piece of information: your tracking ID. On the setup page, you'll be given the choice to create a web stream. Hit that option, and you'll get details about your stream, including the tracking ID. This code is crucial as it acts as a bridge between your website and Google Analytics, enabling data to flow seamlessly. Make a note of this tracking ID, as we'll need it in a moment. With your Google Analytics tracking ID in hand, the next step is integrating it into your Hostinger website builder, so go ahead and log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the builder, navigate to the site settings section. From here, locate the Analytics tab. It's within this section that you'll enter your tracking ID. You'll find a dedicated field labeled Google Analytics Tracking ID. Input the ID you obtained from Google Analytics earlier and make sure to double check it to ensure there are no errors. Even a small mistyping could hinder accurate data collection. Once you're confident everything is correct, save the changes you've made, ensuring the integration is locked in and ready to collect data. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for: publishing your site. Go ahead and hit the Publish button. This step applies all the changes, officially linking your Google Analytics account with your Hostinger website. By doing this, you're now equipped to gather crucial insights about your website's performance and visitor behavior, data that can guide your future business decisions. And there you have it. You've successfully linked Google Analytics to your Hostinger website, setting the foundation for robust insights and analytics. Remember, consistently monitoring your analytics can reveal valuable trends that can inform improvements and strategies for your website. Thanks for joining me today, and happy analyzing.